Mariko changed the complexion of the game. Yezo sikhala ngokuthi iswelele mesigcwele lapha. Shukuthi uMariko mayengena I was bossing the middle field kanjani. uMariko was finding spaces which Nduli, Rile and ubani lo Umasindi couldn't find. Let me tell you, uMariko for the 8 minutes mayeqeda ungena he almost scored. Lapho athi uyaplay santang. We didn't have that first half.
Yeah.
You must remember that. Okay, kunamabhola akawaluzile yangithola kunale bhola akaluzile side ngikhumbula lona. But in terms of him being there, the complexion of the game changed. Because ubonile neswelele sibe sazama ukunyuka because sesiyabona ukuthi in the middle of the park they are not bossing us anymore. Yangithola and credit to the coach intanga ngokufaka uMariko. And you must remember uMariko makezongena ngithi uzosigayana uMariko. That's me. That's what I said. But I think what he gave us ukuthi siba ne-structure ntanga. Siba nesikhathi sokuthi sidlale because mina I believe second half was better than first half. Uyangithola in terms of ukuthi ground iselivulekile now we able to go forward. Even who's this? Mabasa ube wahedelwa uHotho washelela uMabasa azama ukushaya ifirst touch. There is this one also angazi buyiso ubani I think uMuremi usibilibili could have left it for uMabasa ukuthi uMabasa shaye uyangithola washelela usibilibili washaya. So that's what I think it was Mariko effect uyangithola in terms of ukuthi game ivuleke. So yesterday I wouldn't give him a 10 but a 7 compared to where he's coming from. For me I think it is